Europe?
Wow, it's dreamy. Let's go to Nick. My ex-fiance answered work emails on Christmas, which made him the villain. Please tell me you take Christmas off.
Yeah, that's going to be a problem because I work in the gift industry, so it happens to be my busiest time of the year.
Okay, that's Santa. Now, Brian, you're always saying meaningful phrases and you're afraid of fire. Be real with me. Are you a ghost?
That's right. I'm a hot ghost. And yes, my thing is invisible.
That's too bad.
Well, Lauren, any front runners?
Well, I'm leaning towards the prince, but I want to get to know him better.
Well, then why don't we bring in Simon's friend, the one black person in town?
Yo, girl, I'm gonna break it down for you like this. Yo, the prince is in love with you. Go get your man.
Thanks. And what do you do over the holidays?
I clap when he kiss.
What's your name?
I don't know, Christmas? Leave me alone, man. I don't have a backstory.
Ooh, and that chime means it's almost Christmas. And if you haven't chosen someone to marry by then, Christmas is canceled and the killer goes free. So it all comes down to this final question.
Bachelors, what is this?
Christmas fork?
Santa's trident.
A dreidel?
Judges,